Hello guys. So today I'm going to teach you how to create installation for QuickDate application. First of all, you need to go to this website, and from here you need to generate a desk key. Steps are very simple, but still I'll just repeat for you. You need to go to your own website, not to QuickDate script. You need to go to your own website, then to the admin panel, then to the site settings, and from there you need to get this server key. Once you get the server key, then you need to replace the server key here, and then you need to copy the website URL from here. This is the website URL which should be copied and replaced here. If there is anything after this, you don't need to do that. And then you need to use the purchase code here. The purchase code must be same purchase code which has been obtained from our team, not from the PHP team. Make sure this is mobile application purchase code. After that, you need to create an application ID. Application ID must be unique, because this is an identifier which will be used by Google Play Store to uniquely identify your application, but it must be in a particular pattern. For example, com your application name dot date. This is how the package name should be written. And secondly, after creating this, you need to click I'm not robot and then validate. Once this is done, then you need to go to the project, and first of all you need to open this application app settings file. In app settings file, you need to replace this triple desk key. Once you replace this triple desk key, after that you need to go to this file, Android manifest file. In this file, you need to replace the package name. If this package name is only being used once, then you need to replace it once. It is being used like 8 times, then you need to replace 8 times. You can simply replace it by this. Just whatever your package name is, just put it here, replace all. After this is done, you need to also change this package name in another place, which is this csproj file. Here you need to change the package name. Once this package name is updated here as well, then next step will be to change application name. So this is where application name is written. So you need to replace here, and also in database name you need to change this as well. Once this is done, you need to find application name in this file as well, and here you need to change the file name, sorry, this name, QuickDate. Replace it with your whatever application name is. Make sure it's not too much complex, and it is only English word. It is it should be simpler, not like too many different languages words. I don't know if this will create an issue, but it can create an issue. After this, you need to once this step is done, it means your application has been detached from our demo website to your own website. Now if you run this application, it will authenticate it against your website. Now comes the rebranding steps. For rebranding, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to change your color. So here is the main color. Main color can be changed from 2 places, in app settings, and secondly you need to change color from colors file. Here all the rest of the colors are mentioned. You can check whichever color is used for which purpose and change whichever you need to change, but mostly you need to change primary and accent color, and primary transparent, accent transparent, and primary dark. That's it. After changing these 3 colors, you need to now color has been changed. Next step would be to change the UGC HTML file. So you need to replace the application name here as well. Here you need to change whatever you selected in app settings. This name you need to replace here. Just find it and replace all. That's all. After this, sometimes you'd see so many error reports. So this is where you can disable all error reports very easily. Just set API's report mode to false, and that's it. You will not see any error alerts on the screen. And after this, next step would be to integrate Facebook and Google. So here Facebook and Google, you need to be very careful with the documentation, because it's a little bit complex. For the new person, you need to go to your Facebook profile, developer.facebook.com, and then there you need to create your application. You need to give all the information you have they require on their page, and then extract a key. And after that, once the key is extracted, you need to replace that key in analytics.xml file. In these two places, just find it and replace here, and also Facebook client token. Once this step is done, next that's all you need to do for Facebook. If it's not working, then it means something is wrong while you were setting up the profile on Facebook developer page. Next step is to how to integrate Google. For Google, the steps are exactly similar. You need to go to Firebase. There you need to register your package name, whichever you chose here on this line. Whatever package name you chose here, you need to replace this, create this package name on the Firebase page. After Firebase, you need to go to Google Client and also give permissions and set up everything over there as well. Once these 2-3 steps are done, you will get a client ID. You need to replace this client ID with your with the client ID you got from Facebook developer page, Google developer page. And also you need to make sure that you get updated Google service JSON file. This is very important. If you do not download this file at the end, this will be downloaded from Firebase. If you do not download this file, then it means application will not support Google login, and it will also not support OneSignal push notifications. So once you download this file, you will see that this key will be same as the key here. Okay, 1 second. This key is not appearing here because it is not updated file probably. That's why. Otherwise, in real scenario, this key should be similar as you have here. Once this is done, the next step is to go how to integrate multi-language. So right now we just have Arabic support in the application, but you can create any language support you need. The steps are very simple. Just create and add new folder and create values hyphen. Right now it's Arabic. You can call Spanish, you can call Hindi, you can call whatever you need. For example, for Hindi, HI. So values hyphen HI, and in that you need to add strings.xml file, string.xml. And in this file you need to make sure you read these notes. This is very important. If you miss any of these tiny steps, translations will not work. Once this is done, everything is set up, your application will be able to support your new language. But also you need to add here Hindi, HI, and then Arabic, like this, HI and here Hindi. If you don't know how to do it, you can just simply go to this file, and here you'll get all the types of languages. For example, for Estonian, you need to use ET. For Indonesian, you need to ID, like this. Okay, once this is done, then next step would be how to integrate OneSignal. OneSignal push notifications are also simple, but just step you need to do is make sure you use correct Google JSON file. Secondly, make sure you use this OneSignal ID properly. You can get this OneSignal ID from this page. Here you can find OneSignal ID. Okay, it's push notification. It's here in API settings, push notification settings. This is the key. If you use same notification ID, then it will work just fine. Just put this ID here, and also you need to go to OneSignal and configure here as well. So make sure you go to OneSignal website and configure everything properly. There you'll need to again use package name, so make sure you use correct package name over there as well. Same package name as we have used before. Once these steps are done, next step would be how to change images, icons. So here we are in MipMap. In MipMap, we have icon, round icon. So these are two, if you replace these two icons here with exactly similar resolutions and in all these folders, not only one place, you need to replace in all these folders. Once you replace all these folders with all these icons, with your icons, then you can show, then your logo will be displayed. But make sure it has same dimensions as this has, 512 512 in this folder. You need to have like 384 in this folder. You need to have like 190 and so on. And here you need to use the logo icon which we see inside our application. It should be replaced from here. In drawable folder, in all drawable folders there is a logo.webp file. Make sure this file is logo.webp, and it must be in the same dimensions as we have here for all these folders. Otherwise your logo will not look professional. Okay, and in order to change the icon which appears on when application launches, there is a quick date mention. So you need to replace this icon underscore splash. And in order to change the icon for one signal, you need to replace IC underscore stat one signal. And also you need to find out what is the dimension being used, and you need to use same dimension. And also here it's .png, so make sure it's .png files. Once these steps are done, you have almost rebranded your application. But here's one step which is pending for analytics. You need to go to analytics file, and here you need to add your website URL. So make sure you do not add HTTP. Okay, so it's quickdatescript.com. Here my website URL is also quickdate.com, quickdatescript.com. So replace this. This will open your application. This will be used by another feature. And in order to add all different kind of ads, you need to go to AdMob website, and you need to set up your account and all that. And once you get ads from there, you need to replace all these ads. And here also, in this place as well, you need to replace all these ads. If you want to disable all the ads, just set all these ads variables to false. These Facebook ads are also similar, but right now by default it's set to false. You can also change to true, false as you need. Right now these are our default keys, and you need to change these keys because these keys are not valid. We do not put real keys in the application. And here you get all different kind of configurations. If you need to like register, enable, blogs, everything, you want to disable any feature, you can disable. You need to enable any feature, enable it. And here you can use payment integration. Instructions are written over here, how to integrate PayPal, how to set up and everything. You need to do that. And also like Agora, you need to use correct Agora key here. This key is not valid, so probably it will not work once you get the code. So make sure you change it with your own key. And once all these steps are done, you are almost there to rebrand your application. Once this is done, then you need to create a APK and AAB file. So in order to do that, on Mac you can go to preferences, and here you can create all these Android sign-in. So for demo purposes, I'll create one, QD app demo, and then key password, something which you can remember. The suggestion is just use same name you have used, just use the same for the password, also for the first name, also for organization, and that's it. Once you create this file will be created, and you will get two files, key APK and key info. For example, if I go into Q, it was quick data app demo. So you need to copy these two files and then close this window, go to key APK and just paste here. Once you paste, copy the name of this file, just this file, just the name of one file, and go to and edit project, and in edit project you can replace this, but make sure you are replacing it with all same case character, complete characters. Okay, don't replace this package name or somewhere else because dependencies are also being used. So you need to change it in one place, 2, 3, 4, and we use AAA as a password, default password. So you can change with your password, for example, like this, like this, like this. So after adding these key store, now you can see that it's not being used anymore. So now you have also created your own key store. Make sure this key store is saved somewhere, otherwise you'll not be able to update your application next time. Once this is done, next step would be I think we've covered all the steps. So this is how you can create an installation. Okay, at the end what you can do is create archive. Just archive for publishing. Once you do archive for publishing, it will start creating you need to select release mode from here, otherwise your application size will be very big. So you need to select release mode from here and then archive for publishing, and once it's archived you will get APK files by default. And in order to get AAB file as well, you can change this AAB here, and you can change here as well if you need to. And this is actually for debug. We are only doing it for release, so you don't really need here. Just change it in this place and then save this file, close it. Okay, so close it, and after closing you need to again archive for publishing. You will get two files. APK is only for your testing. Once you get APK, you need to test this application, how it's working, everything is okay or not. And after that you need to upload AAB file in your Google Play console. And for that purpose there is already a video, but if you still need help, I can guide you. Okay, thank you very much. I hope this is very long video and it would be quite helpful session for you guys.